In this video, I'll show you how to watch a repository on GitHub. First, open your web browser, sign into your GitHub account, and navigate to the repository you want to follow. Next, look toward the top right corner of the repository page. You'll see the Watch button next to the star and fork buttons. Click Watch to open the notification options. Now, choose the notification level that works best for you. You can select participating and it mentions to receive notifications only when you're directly involved, all activity to be notified about everything happening in the repository, or custom to choose specific types of notifications. After that, once you select an option, GitHub will automatically save your preference. You'll start receiving notifications based on the option you selected, helping you stay up to date with new issues, pull requests, discussions, and other repository activity. Finally, if you want to change your notification settings later, simply return to the repository, click the Watch button again, and choose a different option or stop watching the repository altogether. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to watch a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.